I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, make sure you subscribe. We are on our way to 9.4k, which is so exciting, and I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, but obviously if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But if you haven't subscribed, please do. I would highly appreciate it, and I love you guys very much. So yeah, if you haven't, please do. Moving on. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Lush Q&A video. You guys seem to really enjoy these, and also I get so many questions on my Instagram, YouTube comments, everything like that, just to kind of help you guys with your Lush purchasing and things, which is absolutely fine. But I do like to do Lush Q&A videos kind of once in a while, just to answer any questions that a lot of you guys may have. So I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which if you don't follow me, make sure you do, to ask me some questions Lush related, and I'm going to go through them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first question is, which scent would you recommend to somebody just getting started with Lush? And that's a really hard question, because obviously it completely depends on what scents you enjoy and what kind of scents bring you comfort and happiness and that kind of thing. Like for example, I would say maybe Sleepy and Twilight and the kind of calming lavender range would be really good. But if you don't like lavender, then you're not going to like it so much. So maybe focus on things with a lighter scent, so things like Dream Cream and things like that have a more creamy scent, Butterball and that sort of thing. More basic smells, but definitely something to get you into the brand as a whole, if that makes sense. So yeah, depends on what scents you like, but definitely something really gentle, vanilla-y, that kind of vibe. The next question is, what's one product you always tell people to avoid? And that is a really hard question, because I love a lot of Lush products. There's not many products from Lush that I don't like, and it's definitely down to personal opinion. I get a lot of comments on my videos when I talk about overrated Lush products I hate and that kind of thing, being like, oh, it's my absolute favourite and I love it, and that's great. I just don't like it. So for me, like the powder deodorants, the solid deodorants, the like tooth tabs, I don't really like either very much, and I just feel like some people probably really like those. So that's a really hard question, and I don't know if there is anything, to be honest, because it's all personal at the end of the day. The next question is, what is your ultimate bath cocktail? And that again is a really hard question, because I have done a lot of bath cocktails in my time. I tend to do them a lot more now anyway, because I'm trying to get through all my products. But an absolute classic, if you've never tried a Lush cocktail before, Big Blue Bath Bomb Sunnyside Bubble Bar. Amazing, and it looks like mermaid water, and I love it. It's so pretty, smells amazing. Try it, thank me later, it's so good. The next question is, if you could bring back only one discontinued product, what would that be and why? And that is again a really hard question, because I feel like there's been so many products that have been discontinued that I can't really remember. Obviously things like Plum Rain Shower Gel, like I need that back in my life. That would be really great, because it's my favourite. So I'm gonna have to go with that, but there's definitely been products through the Christmas ranges like Cinders and The Magic of Christmas, Yog Nog Bath Bomb, that aren't necessarily being released this year, that I would really love to have all year round. But again, it's hard to say with those sort of products, so I'm gonna go with Plum Rain Shower Gel. Absolute classic, definitely will be one of my favourites for a very long time. The next question is, what are your top 3 shower gels that are currently available? Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I need to go on the Lush website to see what shower gels are currently available, because if I'm being honest, I actually don't know, which is really bad. I haven't been in a Lush store in ages. I think I might pop into one today, but I'm not too sure. But let's have a look and see shower gels. They've updated their website, so it's a bit confusing to try and get on there. Okay, so my top 3, I would have to say Sleepy, Rose Jam, Happy Hippie. There's not that many on here actually. Yeah, I would say Happy Hippie, Sleepy and Rose Jam, I think. Or Honey I Wash the Kids, that one is really good too. But yeah, those are the 3 I would pick. The next question is, what are some of the weirdest misuses of Lush products you've ever heard of? And that again is quite a hard question, because there have definitely been some over the years that I've seen people do and heard people do that I'm a bit like, why would you use them like that? But I would have to say the weirdest thing I've ever seen is somebody on Instagram posting a video of them using a bath bomb, but they actually used the Comforter Bubble Bar and just like plopped it in. And it was so upsetting, because the whole thing just got soaked and it didn't make any bubbles, and it was just so sad. So yeah, definitely using things like bubble bars as bath bombs, I find it very confusing, but obviously if you don't know what it is, you're never gonna know. So yeah, definitely don't do that because it just doesn't work. The next question is it okay to use a fresh face mask that is 2 days out of date? And I personally would say yes. However, if it smells weird, looks weird, has a weird consistency, or you just don't feel comfortable doing so, then don't use it. It's not an issue. Just wash it out, recycle the pot, and just get another one. But personally, I will use it a couple days out of date until I feel like it's a little bit too far gone. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know, if milk's out of date but you smell it and it smells fine, that's how I feel about face masks. A very weird kind of comparison, I suppose, but yeah, that's kind of how I feel about it. The next question is, what is the worst shower gel that's currently available? And again, there's not a lot that's available. I would probably have to say there's literally like 8 shower gels. I would have to say maybe Dirty Spring Wash, but I did use that in the shower earlier and it was really nice. It's just probably my least favourite out of all of the ones that are on the website. So yeah, I'd say Dirty Spring Wash, even though I do like it, it's probably the worst out of the 8 that are available. So the next question is the best bath bombs for toddlers. Now I'm just having a little look on the website, and just to give you a few off the bat, I would say Ickle Baby Bot, Butterball, what else? It's quite hard, to be honest. A lot of the bath bombs are quite big, so I would say you could cut them up. But Dragon's Egg, if you cut that one up. Tisty Tosty, that one's quite small. But definitely cut all the big ones up because they don't need to use the whole thing. So yeah, that's what I would say. The next question is best products for if you're on a budget, and I would definitely recommend the bubble bars because you get multiple uses out of them. With the comforter, I get about 6 baths out of that, so it's definitely a lot better than spending the same on a bath bomb for one use. So the bubble bars, 100%. The next question is, how do you buy so much when it's so expensive? And if I'm being honest, I have no tips or tricks for this. I don't really spend a lot of money on other things. I mean, you guys are probably going to be like, yeah, okay, you bought like 17,000 pairs of Doc Martens this year, which granted, I have gone a bit OTT on the Doc Martens this year, but for example, this month it is currently the 14th and I've probably spent about £10 this month. Like, I can budget, obviously apart from bills, like that's kind of aside from bills, but I can budget really well. So what I'll do is, if I know that, for example, the Christmas and Halloween stuff's coming out next month, I won't buy much this month at all, and I'll save that money for that. So yeah, I just save my money. Basically, that's no secret to it. That is literally all I do. The next question is, what seasonal product do you wish would stay all year round? And again, that's a hard question because there's so many, but things like Golden Wonder, Cinders, I really love spicy Christmas scents. So anything with that Christmassy warm smell, I do think that the kind of core collection is missing. So the Magic of Christmas Bubble Wand, I'd love to have that all year round because that was one of my all-time faves. I've had quite a few questions on favourite bath bomb combos, bath bomb bubble bar combos, so I'm just going to give you a few. So Big Blue and Sunny Side, I've mentioned that already. The Comforter and Bright Side, really good as well. Absolutely love those. This is hard. Maybe Sleepy Bubble Bar, obviously Twilight Bath Bomb. Just go for scents that kind of work together, but those ones are definitely some of my favourites. And when they did exist, the Green Bubble Rune and Frozen Bath Bomb, it was unbelievable, and they don't even exist anymore and I'm so upset. So yeah, that was probably definitely one of my favourites. The next question is favourite ever scent, and you guys know this, I'm just going to kind of go through them quickly. Twilight, Plum Rain, I really love Yuzu and Cocoa as well, that's such a good scent. But yeah, Twilight and Plum Rain, 100%. The next question is, what is one thing that always seems to expire before you can use it? And that's an easy one for me. It is always body lotion. Every single time. I cannot get through body lotion quickly at all. It takes me a very long time, and I honestly envy people that have a big tub of body lotion and can get through that in like 2 months, because I just can't do it. It takes me months to get through a small pot. I just don't know how you do it. Granted, I don't put it on every day. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong, but if you guys know how to get through body lotion in a quick manner, let me know, because I have too many body lotions to not use them in a quick and efficient way. So yeah, let me know down below. The next question is, have you ever regretted a Lush purchase? And that's an easy one for me. No, not really. I would say that I do regret kind of going very, very hard when I worked there. I used to buy everything. I used to spend so much money on Lush because I worked there and I'd be there every day. And especially things like shower gels, I used to buy in the 500g bottles. It's not necessary. Like, that's a lot of shower gel. I think I must have about 8 to 10 litres of shower gel, like as a whole, because I have maybe 8 or so bottles of 500, maybe more. It's just ridiculous. So yeah, I have definitely regret buying so much, but there's nothing I really regret buying, so I'm gonna say no. Next question is, did you enjoy the 2021 Father's Day range? Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the one range for this year that I haven't purchased, because firstly, for an entire video, it doesn't seem worth it because they only released maybe 3 items, so the video would be about 2 minutes long. Obviously, let me know if you'd like to see it in the future, but it just didn't spark any joy for me. It just didn't, I don't know, it didn't make me excited to buy it. It didn't make me excited to use it, so I just didn't bother. And yeah, it's just not my favourite. I wish they gave it a bit more, maybe like a facial scrub, like I don't know, I just need to see more from the Father's Day ranges personally. The next question is, are you going to try the Fresh and Flowers box? Now, you guys may have already seen my video, but yes, I am currently subscribed to the Fresh and Flowers box as well, just to give it a go. I may not be subscribed to it forever, but it's definitely something I want to subscribe to for a good few months to just get a kind of idea about it. Obviously, when it comes to the time that I need to get a house or something, I'll probably have to stop. But until then, I am definitely going to keep subscribing because it is so good. Go and watch my video if you haven't seen it. But yeah, I was really, really impressed with the overall concept, the products I got, and everything like that. So yeah, I am subscribed if you're wondering. And the last question I'm going to be answering in this video is, will you be buying the entire Halloween collection? And yes, I will. I'm going to be buying the whole Halloween collection and the whole Christmas collection, and I will be unboxing them both on a video, obviously separate videos. I believe the Halloween one comes out around the 8th, so I will be buying that on the 8th, and then obviously as soon as it arrives, filming it and getting it up. Similarly with Christmas, I think it comes out on the 22nd or something like that, so it'll be kind of a bit later. But yeah, I'll be buying them both, filming them both, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those. So that is everything for this Lush Q&A. I really, really hope you guys did enjoy, and if you guys have any questions or I didn't get to your questions in this video, leave them down below and I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't already, obviously make sure you subscribe and follow me over on my Instagram, and yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!